I don't really like the idea behind this problem, but we're going to pretend it's a block sliding on a surface with friction. Or, well, not a block, something that's animate and can produce a force, some sort of animal or something. So, basically, this is the thrust force we want to find. And there is friction on the surface, so we do have a force of friction. We have the weight of the object or animal coming down, and then we have a normal force due to the surface coming up. So we have this object weighs 260 pounds, and I'm assuming that's pounds force. So we want to convert that to newtons because everything else is in SI units. So pounds force to newtons. Okay, 1 pound force is 4.45 newtons. So that would be just multiplied by, let's see, whatever, times 4.448 newtons over 1 pound force. Okay, so we have to do that calculation. But we're also given that the acceleration, I'm assuming in the x, well, yeah, okay, is 4 meters per second squared. That's in the x direction. Here we have our axis that should be straight, x and y. Okay, and then we have the coefficient, the drag coefficient, or the coefficient of friction is 0.0002. Okay, so now we just do equilibrium. We know that in the y it shouldn't be accelerating, it's just moving in the x. So in the y, it should be the thrust force, or no, in the y it should be normal force minus the weight of the object equals 0, or the normal force equals the weight, equals whatever this is in newtons. Let's use a calculator. 260 times 4.448 is, and then this cancels and you're left with newtons. 1156.48 newtons. That is our weight in newtons. So that is what this equals. And now we just need to find the thrust force T. So in the x, we do have an acceleration. It would be T minus the force of friction equals mass times acceleration in the x. And to find mass given a force, this is equal to the mass times the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second squared. So we know what that equals. So to find mass, you just divide 11,056.48 newtons divided by the acceleration due to gravity, 9.8, to get kilograms, which is equal to 118 kilograms. Okay, so we have the thrust force, which we're trying to find. We also know that friction, this is kinetic friction, is equal to the drag coefficient mu times normal. So in this case, it's 0.0002 times normal, which is equal to the weight, which is 1,156.48 Okay.